Now let's go ahead and replace that motor with an LED. We can control the brightness of the LED the exact same way. Just turn the dial left and right. Next up, we're going to connect our potentiometer as a rheostat. Before doing that, we're going to turn the brightness of our LED down so it just turns off. Now that we've got that LED barely off, let's go ahead and connect this as a rheostat. To do this, we're going to disconnect the return wire from the potentiometer, and we're going to bypass that potentiometer using the wire in place of it. The potentiometer will go ahead and flip around, and we'll just connect those two terminals on the power side. If you look closely before touching that dial, you should see that that LED is powered on even without touching it. And that's because the power is distributed differently when it's connected as a rheostat instead of a potentiometer. This gives our electricity only one path to go that can be controlled using this dial.